Not sure how to use your Hisense AC Remote? Model number RCH-RTY3-0. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your Hisense AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. Need more breeze? Tap the fan button to control how strong the airflow feels. Choose from low, medium, high, or auto, and enjoy the perfect breeze your way. Press the fan button again to activate lock mode. When lock mode is on, the controls stay fixed so you won't change settings by accident. The super button activates turbo mode for rapid cooling or heating. Press it to run the AC at maximum fan speed and power, bringing the room to your set temperature as quickly as possible. Air direction controls let you guide the airflow exactly where you want it. Use the vertical swing button to move the louvers up and down, and the horizontal swing button to adjust them left and right. Want it cooler or warmer? Use the temperature plus and temperature minus buttons to adjust the room temperature just the way you like it. More chill or a bit of warmth. It's all in your control. The AI Smart button activates intelligent mode that automatically adjusts the air conditioner's settings, temperature, fan speed, etc., based on environmental conditions to optimize comfort and energy efficiency. Sleep mode is designed for a restful night. When activated, it slowly adjusts the temperature to keep you comfortable while saving energy. No chills, no wake-ups, just smarter cooling while you sleep. Press it again to activate the LED button. The LED button controls the display light on the AC's indoor unit. Pressing it turns the LED display on or off. Press the Follow Me button to activate the temperature sensor inside the remote, allowing the air conditioner to adjust cooling or heating based on the temperature around the remote instead of the indoor unit. To set the timer for the unit, press the Timer On button to start the on-time sequence. Use the temperature up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn on. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the Timer On function to activate. For example, if it is currently 3 p.m. and you want the air conditioner to turn on at 5 p.m., set the timer for 2 hours. Press the second time to activate the clock mode to set the current time on your Hisense AC Remote. Setting the correct time ensures your scheduled operations run precisely when needed. To set the timer for the unit, press the Timer Off button to start the off time sequence. Use the temperature up or down buttons to adjust the desired time for the unit to turn off. Point the remote at the unit and wait 1 second for the Timer Off function to activate. For example, if it's 10 p.m. and you want the AC to turn off at 12 a.m., you can simply set the timer for 2 hours, and it will automatically stop at midnight. Press the Clean button. The AC freezes the coil to trap dust, then heats up to melt and flush it away. Finally, the fan dries the unit from inside, reducing mold, odors, and boosting performance. The Fresh button instantly refreshes or resets the device with a single press, making maintenance quick and effortless. Press the Quiet button to reduce the noise level of your AC. It slows down the fan and compressor, making the AC run extra silently, perfect for bedtime or a peaceful environment. Press the I Feel button to activate the temperature sensor inside the remote control. This allows the AC to adjust cooling based on the temperature around the remote, not the unit. When you press the 8-degree heat button, the AC maintains a temperature of 8 degrees Celsius, 46 degrees Fahrenheit, in the room, preventing it from getting too cold or freezing when you're not home. The High Nano button activates advanced nanotechnology functions, providing powerful purification or sterilization instantly with just one touch. Pressing the Eco button activates energy-saving mode, where your AC balances cooling and power use, It adjusts fan speed and temperature settings automatically. Press and hold the temperature down arrow button and the mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your Hisense AC remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.